Joe, Beer Master, the Car Master. Today we have a 22 Santa Cruz, Hyundai Santa Cruz. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to take the tail light out. We already have them out, but I'm going to just explain it to you. It's very simple. Let the tailgate down. When you look in here, there'll be two 10mm bolts. You can see we left them on the light. We put them back in so we don't lose them. So you just spin them 10mm off with a ratchet. And then there's a little push pin here, guide, that holds it into that hole. So once you get those two 10s out, you just wiggle it and it'll come out. If you want to remove the assembly, you can see there's a little socket there. You disconnect it off of here. All right, press that little button and then pull it out. You disconnect the socket. And to change the bulbs, you just spin this. If you have a bulb out, just spin it. You pull the bulb out straight. Some you have to twist, but it's got the little number on the bulb. If you look closely, there's a number, or you can call your local supply house, tell them what it's for, to make a model of the car, and you can tell them if it's a reverse light, stop light, whatever you have, turn signal light, and they will supply it to you. You put it back in, and just put it back, spin it in there nice and tight, and then put the assembly together. This should be enough information to get you going. Joe Beer Master, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share this with your friends. Take care.